everyone! Today I'm making baked lemon herb chicken with garlic rice and mushroom sauce. First, cut the veggies you like to put in chicken. I added carrots, capsicum, onions, potatoes and tomatoes. Add all in 500 grams chicken. Add yogurt 1 cup. Soy sauce 2 tablespoons. Dried oregano leaves ½ teaspoon. Black pepper ½ teaspoon. Fenugreek leaves dried ½ teaspoon. You can add other herbs as your liking. Salt ½ teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Watch the video till the end for the amazing sauce and rice recipes. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like and comment any suggestions. Lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Mix everything and marinate for 30 minutes. Preheat oven on 180 degrees. Add chicken in baking dish and cover with foil. Add tomato sliced and green chilies. Bake for 40–50 minutes on 190 degrees. Then take out foil and cook on 220 degrees in water dries. For rice, take 2–3 tablespoons oil and add garlic paste or chopped 2 tablespoons. Add cumin seeds 1/4 teaspoon. Soy sauce 2 tablespoons. Pre-soaked rice 2 cups. Salt ½ teaspoon. Chicken powder 1 teaspoon or broth ½ cup. Black pepper powder ½ teaspoon. Cook on high flame until water dries. Then add 3.5 cups water, let it boil. When rice comes up, cover and cook on low flame until done. For sauce, take fresh or canned mushrooms 1 cup in oil or butter 2 tablespoons. Add salt 1/4 teaspoon. Black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon. Then all-purpose flour 1.5 tablespoons. And milk 1 cup plus ½ cup water. Soy sauce ½ tablespoon. Whisk everything well and close stove when thickens. Now serve rice with hot chicken and sauce. Enjoy with your family and friends. Subscribe to my channel for more recipes and fun videos. Like and comment too. Thank you.